Here's a bikini shot of a young, beautiful model with sun-kissed skin and windswept dark hair walking along a pristine white sand beach. She is wearing a stylish and alluring California two-piece low-cut bikini with a delicate pattern and a vibrant color that complements her complexion. The bikini top features a deep V neckline, accentuating her while the bottoms are cut to flatter her figure. The setting is a tropical paradise with crystal-clear turquoise ocean water gently lapping at the shore. Lush green hills rise from the coastline under a clear, azure sky dotted with a few wispy white clouds. The sun is bright, casting a warm glow and creating shimmering reflections on the water's surface. She's mid-walk with a subtle, confident expression on her face, making eye contact with the viewer. The lighting is natural and soft, highlighting her features and the textures of her skin and the bikini fabric. The shot is eye-level, slightly wide to capture the expanse of the beach and ocean, but keeps the model as the central focus.